Hey everyone,
Sweeney.
Michael, I'll come in peace. I'm not here tonight to see if there's anybody here that wants to talk.
Agnes.
We have a lot of fireworks going off tonight.
It goes.
Is the government going?
Whoever guessed.
Who's talking about the government? Is there anybody that wants to talk tonight? I had a bear come by the yard today. Did you all see the bear when it was here?
I didn't really want to go.
You didn't really want to go? Is that you? Was that the bear? You didn't want to go into the pond?
The conserved.
What if this too?
You stayed there? Did you eat the lily pads?
Illusions.
What's your name?
Stop campaigning.
You're campaigning. I'm picking up a bunch of government stuff. I'm not a government person. Left wing and right wing belong to the same bird. Anybody out here agree with me? I'm not out here to talk government.
You know.
Sorry, I'm just not going to do it.
Hurricanes.
Let's talk about something different.
You're mean.
I'm mean? No, I'm not mean. I just don't want to talk about the government. It doesn't do any good. I'm sorry.
But they don't see it.
I don't see. They don't see it. Yeah, they don't see it. You guys should know, those of you who's on the other side. Maybe you don't see it yet. Maybe you need to cross over. I mean, today is honor holiday for the foundation of this country, but what's it founded in? What land did it take from the indigenous people? That's right, yeah. Who am I talking to? Any of my Cherokees? Any of the Cherokee spirits here? I know it's been a while since I've been to the trail.
It's wrong.
It's wrong, yes, it is wrong, thank you. And it messes up the whole vibration of the universe too. I'm sitting here listening to all the creatures, and they're real upset tonight. The vibration and the tone is just more intense because they're upset.
We were all
what?
Colorado.
Okay, I'm going to wrap up tonight. Does anybody else have anything they want to say before I go inside?
30 mark.
Tomorrow? Did you say tomorrow? I'll try to come back tomorrow. Depends on what I get done with this tomorrow.
Like the fantastic.
I can't promise I'll be here tomorrow, but you guys have a good night for what you have left, okay?
Sides that.
Between us. I'm going to go in now. You guys have a good night. Good night, guys.
Teaming.
Good night. Thank you. Anybody else out there?
Or sport?
Good sport? I try to be.
Hey, similar.
You see me? Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Night.
Of a star.